Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you joining me for the very first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Kathy. I am a licensed esthetician here in the state of Florida, and I like to do makeup videos. And today what I did was I messed around with the soft glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills and just kind of came up with this. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if you guys use different colors too, because the colors in the palette are really pretty. And yeah. Oh, I also want to apologize if I sound really rushed. It's because I'm on my way to meet up with a really good friend of mine just to catch up. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy, and let me know what you guys think. Please like, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family, and I hope that you guys learn something off of my videos, so make sure to tune in and watch. So prior to filming, I've already used the Urban Decay Optical Illusion all over my face and my eyes. I then did my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Up Pomade in the color Taupe. And then I cut my eyebrows with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Porcelain, and then I put Scotch tape on my eyes. So what we're going to be using today is a soft glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. The first color I'm going to be going in with is Orange Soda. And then I'm just wiping back and forth, and then doing little circular motions. This color reminds me of Tang a little bit. Do you guys remember Tang from back in the days? So pretty. But yeah, we're just doing back and forth windshield wipers, and then just little circles, so that way we can blend that and buff that all out. And the brush that I'm using is, I got this brush from a Nipsey Glam bag a while back ago. I need to get back on my makeup brushes. And the next color we're going to be going in with is Sienna. Again, what you want to do is just windshield wiper motions, and then little circles. Just want to blend that out. And the good thing that we started off with Orange Soda, so that way it would be our transition color, and that way it'll be really easy to blend, and you have that really pretty gradient. Just keep blending. And make sure to have patience with this too, because it's a lot of work. You eventually, after a while, my wrist gets tired. Next color I'm going to be going in with is Mulberry, right over here. I'm holding the palette upside down because it's easier for me to just use a little bit at a time, since this is a darker shade and has a little bit of purple in it. And it's like a little, usually colors with reds in it, and they're all a little difficult to blend. Okay, I don't want to say it's difficult to blend, but it's it takes work to blend. So just keep doing your windshield wiper mode, and then little circles, just so you can buff everything out. Go in a little harder if you need to as well, but safely. Okay, so off camera, I already went ahead and already cut the crease. I used the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Porcelain, and then I went ahead and used this flat brush over here from Azeredo Cosmetics. It is the 102 brush is what I used, and I don't have a discount code for this. However, I will link down my Ebates, and then from Ebates you can use the Azeredo Cosmetics website and you get money back. You can have it via check or via PayPal. So I'm gonna go ahead and link that down so that way you guys can benefit off of that, okay? Next, I'm gonna be going in with the color Fairy, and then I'm gonna be using the Sigma Large Shader Brush E60, E60. You can use my discount code, which is KathyXO, and it is spelled KATHYYXO. So just press along here. And what's good is that the concealer is still wet, so the color it's gonna be grabbing on. So it'll be intense. And just like blend it out like this a little. Doesn't have to be perfect. Next, we're gonna be going in with the color Glistening right over here. Same brush on their side. Packing this on here. Blend down if you like. Just pack that on there. So pretty. I'm going to be going back in with Bevery with the same blending brush that we had used earlier. I'm just going to be packing this on here like with little circle motion because I still want to blend this one out. It's a little harsh for me. But if you want to keep it, that's cool too. And then, okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be blending this out like that too. You can also go back in, but remember to dust it off because you don't want it that harsh. Okay, so now that I'm done blending out both sides as even as possible, I'm gonna go and do my liner and my lashes off camera, so I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Off camera, I already put on the NYX Super Skinny Marker. And then I went ahead and did the NYX retractable eyeliner in my waterline right here. And then I went ahead and put on So Hollywood lashes from this little pack here that I got from Azeredo Cosmetics. It retails for I think $35, but you can get 10% off using my code. It is Kathy10, KATHY10. And then I went ahead and took off the tape so it can be nice and clean and straight. You see that? So sharp and cut a bitch. We're done where eyes were, well, not really done my eyes because I still have to do the bottom, but I'm going to be putting on the iconic London Drops Illuminator in the color Original all over my face. I only put 2 drops on each side, and then I go ahead and just rub it all in. And I like to look luminous. Be careful on the eye area. Be careful on the eyebrow area too. And kind of smooth it in with your hairline, but going up. And be like gentle with it as you put it on. And go up as you put on this product. With any product, if you put on a face product, always go up. You want to look lifted at all times. This isn't coming off. Whatever, I'll have to wash my hands probably. Okay, next thing I'm going to be using is the Fenty Beauty Foundation, Pro Filter Foundation in the color 190, 190. Make sure you shake it. I put on 2 pumps on each side. I wipe off the excess on my nose, and then I just blend it with a beauty blender. Can't talk for shit today. And what I do too, when I'm done putting it on my face, I put the excess like on my neck or like under like the neck area, like this part here. I forgot what this is called, but here I put it here just so we could blend out. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is the Naked Skin Concealer from Urban Decay in the color Light Neutral. And it should look a little something like this. I don't do it on the nose because for me, I guess I haven't learned how to make it look so sharp or harsh. So yeah, so it should look like something like this, and just make sure you blend it out, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, now that I'm blending that, finished blending out the concealer, I'm going to be going in with a blending brush that came from my Ipsy bag from a long time ago. And I'm going to be going in with a Morphe 9C palette with this rather dark shade over here that's already wasted. That was the top that finished coming off. Sometimes it comes off and sometimes it doesn't come off. I don't know. It's bipolar. So what I'm going to be doing is going like this. I'm going to go a little higher, and then at the same time I'm going to blend it out. So here I go. I'm going to be and then with the excess that I have, I'm just going to be going down the bridge of my nose, side to side. Nothing perfect. I mean, you can dip back into the palette too. And just choose to do the excess. We're going to highlight it anyway and bake the middle of it. Doesn't have to look even. I do the tip here too. Again, it doesn't matter really how it comes out. Just do what you feel is right. So now I'm going to be going in with the Ben Nye Luxury Powder in the color BV-O Banana. And I'm going to go in with the mini beauty blender over here. Use it however you want it. I'm just going to use the end here, and then since this falls out a lot, so this is what I do. In some cases it falls, in some cases it doesn't, but when it does, I have this underneath it so that way it can catch it. Okay, so I finished all this right now. This is what it should somehow look like. So I'm gonna let this set in for like a minute or two, so we'll just wait for the time to pass. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dust it off. I'm gonna be using the Azeredo Cosmetics 12 brush. It looks a little something like this. This is what I used to bake. I wipe it off, and I don't have a code for this, but I got it from Ebates. I got money back, so I'm gonna link the link below so you guys can take advantage of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust this off lightly. I did it a little bit on my forehead, and then I just really lightly, and then because this stuff falls out a lot. Would you look at that? And just goes gently down. You can even rub it in, like, but gently. Make sure you take anything off. So this here, I kind of rub it in, but go down as I rub it in. There you go. I'm going to be going back into the palette. I'm going to be going back in with the palette using Sienna. Okay, I'm going to be doing the under eye. I'm just buffing that out. Okay, next color I'm going to be going in with is Mulberry. Just buff that out. Oh yeah, the brush that I use is from Azeredo Cosmetics brush 24. It doesn't matter what brush you use, I just use this to blend this out here. And again, I got it from Azeredo Cosmetics. I'm gonna leave my eBates link below. I'm gonna be doing this in my inner corner. Dip it back in if you want, because I did it. And again, I'm using the BH Cosmetics 105. I'm gonna leave my link below. Okay, so we're gonna be moving on to highlight. I'm using the Glow Kit Sweets palette, or Sweets Kit. Then I'm gonna be going in with the color Butterscotch. Okay, this is what I do. I sweep the color, you see that? I spray with the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation spray. And then you see that? Look at that bitch glow. Again, I do it here, but it's already, I don't have to wet the brush again because it's already like damp. So I grab the color and spread it even more. I do it for my nose, but I dip it into the, I dip the palette like this, like that. I spray. And then I squeeze here, okay? And then I go up and down. And then the excess that I have, I do that. And then I go up and down a little bit too, okay? So I went ahead and did my Cupid's bow and my chin area. So I'm gonna go back with the brush that I used to contour my nose on the side, and I'm just gonna squeeze the end of it and just go up and down on one side and up and down the next side. I'm using the excess. You can go back into the palette. And off camera, I already did my lips. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Pure Hollywood. I just hope it looks good. I'm gonna wait for this to dry. Okay, so I'm back. I went ahead and did my hair and put on my extensions because I'm going out tonight. And then you see my extension playing me. So then I also decided to change my lip color. I went ahead and changed it to the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Starfish. This is how it looks like. I didn't take off So Hollywood. I left it as the base and then I just went over it. And then yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys think. I left my social media links below, so you guys are more than welcome to follow me on there. And then I have my eBates linked below as well, so make sure to take advantage, use that code, and save yourself some money. You can also save money on Sephora, Ulta, Walmart, Target, anything. So take advantage to save yourself that money. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna go now. Have fun and stay safe, everybody.